With JobTrakr powered by MeasureSquare, your team can get more done in the field by using your existing MeasureSquare diagrams. Trakr helps make easy and accurate moisture reporting possible with Bluetooth probes, including photo attachments and probe reading history logs that will save you hours in the field and at the office. Product installation and percent complete tracking for rooms and walls on the fly will help you stay on top of production times and help your team get paid promptly. JobTrakr. Empower PMs and field teams to track jobs, generate reports, and profit more. Schedule a demo today or talk to your MeasureSquare expert about signing up for the beta group.